In this tutorial, we will be discussing the properties decorator in Python, a neat feature that allows us to manage class attributes in an elegant and intuitive way. Here, we've created a simple student class with a constructor method that takes two arguments, name and age. The underscore before the name and age variables means they're intended to be private, but in Python, nothing is truly private. Now, this is where the magic happens. The @property decorator is used to indicate that this method is a getter for the attribute name. It enables us to access the private attribute underscore name using the public method name, without needing to use parentheses. Similarly, we use the @property decorator above the age method to get the private attribute underscore age. So, using these getters, we can access the student's name and age. We create an instance of the student class, student, with the name Tony and age 18. Then we print out the student's name and age by calling the decorated methods as attributes, not functions. As you can see, the program outputs Tony and 18. These values are accessed directly from the attributes, not from method calls, which is the beauty of the @property decorator. It helps us write cleaner, more readable code. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you now understand how and when to use the @property decorator in Python. Remember, it's a powerful tool for managing access to class attributes, and it can help you write cleaner, more readable code. Happy coding!